आपका पेट्रोल 8 से 10 रुपए महंगा हो सकता है, बिल्कुल वैसे जैसे आपका सोना अब से 9% और महंगा हो गया है। द स्टेट ऑफ हॉर्मूज, द choke point for 1/5 of world's oil, is effectively shut down. Brent crude is volatile, currently trading between $107 to $114. ये सिर्फ प्राइस हाइक नहीं है, it's a structural supply shock. 14.5 million barrel per day is missing from the global markets. So the world economy is running on borrowed time. And to deal with this critical situation, the PM has urged every Indian to postpone coal purchases and foreign travel for at least 1 year. He called for a return to work from home model, public transport and carpooling to reduce fuel demand. ये सिर्फ एडवाइस नहीं है, ये डिमांड मैनेजमेंट की एक नेशनल स्ट्रैटेजी है. Our OMCs are bleeding with 1000 to 1200 crores loss every single day. So सरकार के पास अब ज्यादा ऑप्शन बचे नहीं है. So fuel price hike is inevitable. लेकिन सरकार सिर्फ अपील पर नहीं रुकी. Appeal turned into a mandate. The import duty on gold and silver has been hiked from 6% to 15%. I know the counter argument, the gold is the ultimate hedge against inflation. You are not wrong. It's a proven safe haven. But look at the macro math. India's gold import hits a record $72 billion last year. When you buy gold, the nation pays in dollars. Last week alone, our forex reserve fell by nearly $8 billion to $690 billion. At this burn rate, we cannot afford to hedge individuals' wealth at the cost of national energy security. ये economics है, sentiment नहीं. We need those dollars for oil, fertilizer, and other essential goods, and not for idle assets. The energy crisis is now hitting our farms and food supply. Urea import prices have doubled to $950 per ton. The blockade has cut the imports as well as the LNG that powers our domestic factories, leaving them running at 70% capacity. यही वजह है कि पीएम मोदी का ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग पुश सुनने में आइडियलिज्म लगता है, लेकिन है ये प्योर इमरजेंसी इकोनॉमिक्स. सरकार फर्टिलाइजर का प्राइस शॉक खुद एब्जॉर्ब कर रही है एंड नॉट पासिंग इट ऑन टू फार्मर्स. फाइनेंशियल ईयर 27 के लिए जो फर्टिलाइजर सब्सिडी बजट पहले 1.71 लाख करोड़ था, अब वो 2 लाख करोड़ को क्रॉस करने की राह पर है. और ये पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? वही जेब से जो पहले से खाली हो रही है. The hard truth: lower fertilizers and moving to natural farming means lower crop yield and higher food inflation. It will hit your kitchen long before the global conflict ends. What happens if we don't act now? Quantity rationing, fuel quotas, and purchase limits. The kind of system India has not seen since the 1970s. 2026 is asking us, can we exercise collective restraint or will the market force it on us? The choice is still ours for now. आज की ऑस्टेरिटी ही कल की इकोनॉमिक सिक्योरिटी की नींव है. स्टे इन्फॉर्म्ड, स्टे सेल्फ रिलायंट. जय हिंद.